All right, welcome back to another random review and how-to. We're still here working on our tractor. We got the Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro series. Today I'm showing how to change out your oil filter and actually change out the oil. So pull your oil stick out here. You can see on mine, this is after the fall, winter, last summer's use. I'm actually pretty low. It's right in the middle there, dripping oil all over the place. To get your oil out, this is your little bottom of the oil stick, so we're going to unscrew this piece here. You're going to want to make sure you have something to fill it up. I got a nice empty container here, so I'm going to plop that down right there in between, and then we're going to get this oil filter off. So I'm going to actually drain everything first and then pull this off, because I am going to get a little residual oil that comes out of here. I will say I already loosened this. You can see I dented the hell out of it. I had to use some channel locks for that. It was on there pretty tight, so if you are super strong, you could probably unscrew that. You probably are the person they asked to open jars around the house. But I actually ended up squeezing this and then twisting it, and it came loose right away. So I did pre-loosen this. Don't think I'm Superman here. So we're gonna go do this. I think I put that on pretty tight last time I did. So I'm actually just gonna pull that up, and I'm gonna turn this bottom little piece here. I might have to get something else there. Yep, I need channels. I need 2 channels. Just not feeling very strong today. So I got my other channels. I'm gonna put that on this part here. Squeeze them, twist them. Got it loose. I gotta get looser than that. I'm really weak today. As soon as you get this off, you're gonna start to get oil that pours out. Do you want to wear gloves? Probably. Do I? Not today. So there we go. And I'm going to pull this top plug out there. Just to help that, I'm going to go ahead and drop that down. And we're just going to go ahead and let that drain there until it completely drains out. Alright, so I've drained it. So these engines also take 2 quarts of oil. You can see I'm just dripping there, but it took probably 5 minutes to drain everything out. It was a slow drain. So I got that down. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this. Oh gosh. Thank God that didn't go back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in. I'm gonna make sure I tighten it up. And I will tighten that more at the end. But you can see here how much oil I actually got to come out. That is almost full. So like I said, 2 quarts. And then next, I'm actually going to go ahead and put in my oil. So I am actually using SAE 30 motor oil, and then I'm going to use SAE, 2 different brands, SAE 5W30. Looked online, it says you can mix these 2. One just gives you better performance depending on the temperature you're working within and the temperature of the engine oil. Mixing the 2 is not going to hurt it. So I'm going to go ahead and put both of these in. It's going to take 2 quarts, so this is 2 quarts right here, and we're going to fill it up. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and actually change out my filter. So when I bought this tractor, I got this filter that should be the same. Should be, the tractor company sold it to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. This is a Kohler. You can see it's a full flow oil filter. And size-wise, it's about the same size. It looks like it's a little thinner up here. But we're gonna go ahead and just unscrew this one all the way. Take this off. There's gonna be a little bit of oil that comes out of here. If you do get oil on your hands, you're gonna wanna make sure you go ahead, clean that off. Used oil is not good for you. It's been shown to cause cancer and lab rats. And I'm pretty close to lab rats. So you can see we got a lot of oil dripping off there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my next one, put that on. Again, however strong you are is gonna depend on how far you can screw this thing on. Make sure you grab those threads right in the middle. You're gonna feel it kind of grab and then screw back on. So it's on. I'm going to tighten it by hand, and I'm going to grab my channels as well and keep tightening that after the fact. So make sure you put this back on before you change it, because if you did not do that and you unscrewed that, you're just going to dump a bunch of oil out. There is quite a bit of oil here in the one I pulled off, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I drain that into my container as well. Off to the side. Get all that oil out of there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my regular oil. So follow the steps I am, just make sure you're paying attention to what I say, because I'm learning as I go too. Got both our oils back in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my dipstick in, pull that out, see where we're at. And it says I'm a little under. No, I'm full. I'm all the way up. So I am good there. Turn that around, make sure that fits in place. And then the last little sniff test we're gonna do here is I'm gonna tighten this. And then we're gonna go ahead and start it up. Go ahead and start her up here. Now I did just replace the battery in here, so if it doesn't start right away, good indicator that that still needs a little time to get charged up. As always, I'm gonna wanna thank you for watching this. If you like what you see here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you later.